Three, two, one. We are back, guys, to do the daily review. In this video, we're going to review our goals, our plan, and where are we, how we are, what we are doing. Is there anything we need to do, or are we on the track or are we not on track? So let's do it. So let's start with this. First thing first, road to $1 million. We are going to read our first of all we are going to read our full goal. Then we will be reading the have we done the tasks yesterday's task or not, that we're going to check. And I think so 2 days 2 days ago 2 days happened. I haven't even done the daily review because I'm so busy, and that's why I'm pretty much gonna slap myself. No one is watching me, right? Just a second. Not no, not no. At least not no, no, no. Will when I will be reading the goal, and when I see like when I feel that when I will be feeling that holy shit, I have missed this. So um actually the trade come to the trade actually just a second, okay. The trade came to the place where we want it to be. um I'm just gonna close the alarm. What is this? Oh, so yeah, I haven't took this trade, but I just missed this trade, and this trade is reversing now. Thank God I didn't took the trade. I don't know, brother. If we get the engulfing candle right here, we'll be probably gonna take that trade. So let's start with this. We go. So let's start daily review. So it's 1808. Everything works on system. Either you build your own system for every single thing, or get hired to work on someone else's system, which I fucking hate the most. This is I don't want to get hired to work on someone else's system. That is what I'm actually doing right now. I got hired to work on company system, but after the job I'm working on my trading goals to achieve. Crazy thing, yeah. If I weren't gone out of a trading plan, I would end up in Dubai having $1 million in my bank account and would be able to financially free, and my mom dad won't be able to do the job. They will also be free. Like this is like a whole entire world has changed. I'm so right now poor that I have to go to the job to at least pay the EMIs, to pay the bills, motherfuckers. This is like the worst thing ever. Let's continue. The highlights. When we are going to quit the job and become full-time trader on 23rd August 2026, nearly within 40 to now 2 days haven't happened, so 40 days. Just a second, let me just review it with the Google. Hey Google, from now till 23 August 2026, how much days are there? Answer in one line. That's it, you say now.
Actually, let me try that one more time.
40 days. 40 days, that's a 40 days exactly. So on 23rd August, within this 40 days, we'll quit the job and shift to full-time trading again. When we're going to come back to break even on 16th of August 2026, nearly 35, 34, 33, 33 days, we'll come back to break even on our $100,000. When we are going to go to New York on first week of November 2026, which in just 110 days, we'll travel to New York. Okay. When we are going to start making $1,000 at least on 23rd August 2026, nearly within 42 days, will be 40 days, we'll start making $1,000 at least. Okay, we're talking about at least. So now this is get divided into yearly schedule. This is a yearly schedule. This is how the end of the year looks like. At the end of the year 2026, I will be making at least $10,000 per month, at least. I will be shifted in New York, and I will be managing $1.2 million in funding. That is how it looks like. Quarter one, this goal got divided into 4 quarters, yearly quarters. Quarter one is over, quarter two is also over, quarter three is ongoing. Let's go on quarter 3. On 16th of August 2026, we'll come back to break even on a $100,000 account. On 23rd August 2026, this is the goal of quarter 3. So on 23rd August 2026, we'll quit the job and shift to full-time trading. We'll be finished 20 analysis lectures in July. We'll be having the trading software for analyzing and taking the trades for each type of market conditions. We'll be buying $200,000 account on the funded next and passing in a September month. Started backtesting on 2 years of data using a trading view software. And that 2 years of data will be finishing from 17 June 2023 to 1 November 2025. We'll apply the mom-dad passport for New York, and we'll apply the quick visa for me and mom and dad. We'll make at least $10,000 for New York trip for our birthday on 25th November 2026 and Christmas whole month December 2026. So this is how the output of the July month looks like, and we'll just talk about July month because right now the July month is ongoing. We can talk all, but I don't have time right now. So we'll just talk about July. This is our July month goal. We'll be having the same thing which we have read right now. We'll just read it again. We'll be having a trading software for analyzing and taking the trade for each type of market conditions, and we'll be finishing a 28 analysis lectures. We'll be started backtesting from November 2025 till November 2026 using the trading software which I've created, and that will be finishing November 2025, and November 2025 will get finished. Will be started growing $20 into $8,000 challenge. At the end of the July month, we'll be growing at $20 into $1,620. This is crazy. So that the whole thing got divided. The whole monthly goal got divided into weekly. We will be go on this weekly one, week 1, 6 to 12 July, which currently shit man. 90% of the goal have achieved after 12 July. Yaar. Sucks, man, sucks. that day I haven't woke up at 5 o'clock. I slept a lot more time, a lot more hours. That is why a whole scene got changed, and it is so hard to come back again. But it is not impossible, but it is so hard, and I will work on it. 10 to 15 lectures will finish off 28 analysis lecture and analysis video will grow over $20 to $60. Both of this haven't happened. Well, 10 to 15, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14th and 15th lecture is ongoing. So if I finish this 15 lecture will be finishing the goal first week of July. The goal will get finished and will start to the second week of July goal. So now this haven't happened, so let's add the cross mark right here. Cross mark haven't happened. No, really, no, it doesn't happen because we missed the beautiful trade right there. No, that there was no actual trade. So this is it. So now if we go on the 14th of July, we're going to review 13th and 12th July. So in a one day. So let's click over here. Have we done the tasks or not? So answer is no. Then why haven't you? Why? Right? We should ask a reverse question. Why? I slept more than allowable time. Next, what happened? Yeah, I got used by no. I invest the time to analyze means Sunday swing. I invest the time to analyze the Sunday swing. That is it. Like just because of the Sunday swing, it also take the time. So this is it. This is only the two reason. I know the solution. Like just do it today. That's it. Like that. There is only one solution. So I'm just not gonna sleep more than allowable time. That is the we can't be sleep more than 5 hours. Alright, this is the daily review. That's only is it. Have we finished the 15th and 16th lecture? Absolutely not. So we haven't finished then. So now, what is the solution? How we can do it? So we have to do if we have to do the day before yesterday's tasks, that is 15th lecture. Then we have to do the 16th lecture, and then we have to do the 17th of lecture. Doing this is fucking crazy and nearly impossible, but I will just think about it as possible. But to be honest, it's impossible because one lecture took nearly 3 to 4 hours, right? So doing 4 to 12 hours I have to put, and from now I just have 6 hours. So it's just impossible to do, but I will still keep in my mind that everything is possible if we think about everything is possible. So I will just keep moving with the everything is possible scenario. Alright boys, this is a daily review. Haven't finished the tasks. We are again behind the schedule, so we are going to finish it today. That's it. Signing off, brother. We'll come back in tomorrow's daily review. Oh yeah, the slap is remaining. We haven't done the daily review from 2 days, huh? Why? What the fuck I was doing, huh? Man, I want a fucking slap, okay? Let that guy just flip. Hold on, man. He's just walking. No, he's watching. Yeah, he flipped. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, that's so hard. That is so hard, okay? Was so hard. I must be get punished, man. I slapped from 3 days. I'm slapping to myself here. Look at this cut rate. Crazy thing is happening. Man. I'm fucking slapping myself. Do you even understand how it is? Oh my god, this is like, so much. I feel like to scratch it. Some plane is up going from above. Someone is paying lakhs to sit in that plane, and what the fuck I'm doing? I just won't be able to wake up at 5 o'clock. That is shit I am right now. I won't be able to make $200 at least in a whole month. Such a poor guy I am. But I have a mindset. I have the brain to make me millions of dollars. The time is coming. My time is coming. Signing off, brother. Now I'm going to do the lecture. Signing off.